Tackle shower corners and grout during regular cleans by focusing on agitation, proper cleaners, and consistent small-scale maintenance. Start by working from top to bottom and section by section so you do not miss tight corners or awkward grout lines. Use a soft bristle brush or an old toothbrush to agitate dirt and biofilm in the grout joints and inside the shower corner seams. Small brushes reach deeper than cloths and let you apply pressure without damaging tile. For general mildew control, mix equal parts white vinegar and warm water in a spray bottle, apply to the affected area, let sit for 5 to 10 minutes, then scrub and rinse. Avoid vinegar on natural stone and test an inconspicuous spot first. For stubborn soap, scum, or mineral deposits, use a nonabrasive cream cleanser applied with the toothbrush or a melamine sponge, working in short circular motions and rinsing frequently to inspect progress. After rinsing, dry grout and corners with a microfiber cloth to remove remaining moisture that feeds mildew and to reduce streaks. Maintain a weekly quick touch routine where you spray the vinegar mix and wipe down with a squeegee or towel. That regularity prevents heavy buildup and cuts deep cleaning time dramatically. Common errors include scrubbing too hard, which etches grout, or scratchers, which damage tile finishes. So always use soft brushes and non-abrasive cleaners and stop if you feel resistance. People often skip drying corners, which lets mold return quickly, so always finish by drying with a microfiber cloth and consider a small fan or bathroom exhaust for faster drying. Another frequent issue is using the wrong cleaner on porous surfaces like limestone. If you are unsure, test a cleaner on a hidden spot or switch to pH-neutral cleaners designed for natural stone to avoid dulling or staining the surface. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find work by making project posting and local searches straightforward and community-driven. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share tips, ask questions, and recommend practical products and approaches for detailed cleaning tasks like grout and shower corners.